P12, solve a system of 3 variables with substitution. That's right, folks. We don't just have to have an x and a y. We can also have a z. Okay? So in this case, if we're solving for 3 variables, every problem is going to give us 3 equations. Now, sometimes they're going to be really nice and help us out and tell us one of the numbers, which is great. So we already know one of the 3 answers, which is -2. What we're going to do with that -2 is put it into both z's. Okay, so top would be -3x minus 1y minus 3z, but z is -2, equals -5. -3x minus 1. -3 times -2 is a +6, equals -5. And now we're going to get our x and our y on one side. And -5 and -6 is -11. Now we're going to do the other one. -1x plus 1y minus 2z, which is -2, equals -9. -1x plus 1y, -2 times -2 is a +4, equals -9, minus 4, -1x plus 1y equals -13. Okay. That's a lot of work to not really get anywhere right now. But wait. If I rewrite this to right here, okay, something very nice is going to happen. I'm just rewriting it underneath this last one so we can compare this answer or this equation to that equation. And what happens? Lo and behold, -1 plus 1 cancels out. So I'm going to put -3 and -1 together and get -4x equals -11 and -13 is -24. Then we're going to divide by -4 and get 6. What is 6? X is 6. And I can promise you right now it gets a whole lot easier. So if x is 6 and z is -2, the only thing I need to find is y. Here's the amazing thing. If I'm looking for y, here's a y, here's a y. All of this stuff has a y in it, okay? You can choose which of those to use, because no matter what, as long as you do the math correctly, you're going to get the same answer. I'm going to choose the easiest one, so I'm going to choose this one right here. And so -1, what's x? 6 plus 1y equals I'm running out of room. Equals -13. -1 times 6 is -6 plus 1y equals -13. Add the 6 and y equals -7. Y equals -7. So if I wanted to take the time, I'd put a 6 in here, a -7 in here, and a -2 in here, and see if it equals -5. And then you could also do it to this x, y, and z and see if it equals -9. You can check me if you want to. I could be wrong to see if those answers are wrong. Okay, let's do it again. Again, they give us z, so we are a third of the way finished, and we're going to do this exactly the same. If you can't write smaller than what I do, you might want to use a separate sheet of paper to write this stuff down, because obviously I'm running out of paper too. So, negative x plus 3y plus z, what's z? 8 equals 5. Move the 8 over. Negative x plus 3y equals negative 3. That one turned into that one. X minus 2y plus z, which is 8, equals 7. Take the 8 over. X minus 2y equals negative 1. That one became that one. So now I'm going to move this one under here and just look at this. Nothing else matters. So x minus 2y equals negative 1. Aren't they lovely? They did it to us again. Negative x plus x cancels out. 3 minus 2 is 1y. Negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. So our y is negative 4. The only thing left to find is x. I'm going to use this one just because there's room underneath it. I don't know what x is, but I do know x minus 2 times y, which is negative 4, should equal negative 1. Negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8. Nope. Triple nope. So we brought the negative 1 down. Now we're moving the 8 over. So x equals negative 9. Negative 9. There are your answers. They don't always just give you z, but I don't know why these first 3 did. But we used it. Now I'm going to put z into both of these. So 3x plus 3y. Nope. Plus 2 times z, which is negative 4, equals 13. 3x plus 3y minus 8 equals 13. Add the 8. 3x plus 3y equals 21. That is now that. 3x plus 2y plus 3 times z, which is negative 4, should equal 8. 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals 8. Add the 12. 3x plus 2y equals 20. That is now that. Now I'm going to put this under here. 3x plus 2y equals 20. Okay. The x's, they're both 3's, but 3 plus 3 is 6. I need 3 minus 3 to be 0. Let's multiply this by negative 1. So that changes all of the signs, and that goes away. 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1y. And 21 minus 20 is 1. So y is 1. Now I'm going to plug this 1 into that y to be able to find x. 3x plus 2 times 1 equals 20. 3x plus 2 equals 20. Subtract the 2. 3x equals 18. Divide by 3. And x equals 6. X equals 6. Last one. And I have lots of room, yay! Finally. Okay, y equals negative 3. So y equals negative 3. I'm going to put the negative 3 into both of these. 3x plus 3 times negative 3 equals negative 8. 2x minus 2 times negative 3 plus 3z equals 16. Well, that's not right, is it? (3x plus 3y plus z equals negative 8). 3x minus 9 plus 1z equals negative 8. Add the 9. This time we have an x and a z, and 9 minus 8 is 1. 2x plus 6 plus 3z equals 16. Take the 6 away. 2x plus 3z equals 10. Move this to here because I just want to stack them. Alright, do you want to get rid of the x's or do you want to get rid of the z's? I'm going to get rid of the z's because I can make the top z and negative 3 by multiplying by negative 3. So the negative 3 goes to all 3 and becomes negative 9x minus 3z equals negative 3, and that's not there anymore. 2 minus 9 is negative 7x. That goes away. 10 minus 3 is 7. Divide by negative 7, and our x is negative 1. So we have an x, we have a y, we need a z. Let's put that negative 1 right there. 2 times negative 1 plus 3z equals not negative. Negative 2 plus 3z equals 10. Plus 2. 3z equals 12. Divide by 3, and z equals 4. The good thing about these problems is they're worth a bunch of points. So if you get the first one right, you get like a 20, I think.